Hello students, I Yash Santwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. I welcome you all in this video sessions of class 12 business studies. Class, today we are going to study chapter number 3 of class 12, that is business environment. The name of the chapter is business environment. So first of all, let's talk about its topics. Class, the topics we are having with us is meaning of business environment, features of business environment, then it is components of business environment, then we are having is LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, and after that we are having with us is impact of government policy changes on business. All right, so let's move further. So class, we are discussing first of all about the meaning of business environment कि business environment का मतलब क्या होता है. तो first of all let me tell you class that a business is working in an environment where there are lots of external forces available with it. और हमें इन फोर्सेस की स्टडी करना बहुत ज़्यादा कंपलसरी हो जाता है ताकि हम लोग ये एनालाइज कर सकें कि किस तरीके से एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस को हमें फेस करना है और हमें हमारी बिजनेस के अंदर एडजस्टमेंट्स करने हैं. सो द डेफिनेशन वी आर हैविंग विद अस इज बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट रेफर्स टू फोर्सेस एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस outside the firm with which its members must deal to achieve the organizational purposes. Here, forces referred as economical, social, political, technological, and others as well. And institutions are suppliers, customers, competitors, and etc. Alright, class. So, as I told you that the firm must be aware about all its external forces and all of its external institutions uh, in between of which a business is working. So for this we have to study business environment. Okay, so this is all about the meaning. Now let's move further. The next topic we are having with us is features of business environment. The very first feature is totality of external forces. Class, a business environment is a combined definition of all the external forces. Like बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट जो होता है ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन है सभी अवेलेबल एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस और अवेलेबल इंस्टीट्यूशंस का, और इसी वजह से बोला जाता है टोटलिटी ऑफ एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस. ऑलराइट, इसके बाद वी आर हैविंग इज स्पेसिफिक एंड जनरल फोर्सेस. तो क्लास, बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट इंक्लूड्स बोथ स्पेसिफिक एंड जनरल फोर्सेस एज वेल. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्पेसिफिक एंड जनरल इज स्पेसिफिक फोर्सेस क्या करती हैं कि किसी स्पेसिफिक नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस को ही इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं. ठीक है, और उसके अलावा जो जनरल फोर्सेस होते हैं ये हर तरीके के बिजनेस के ऊपर इम्पैक्ट डाल सकते हैं और इक्वल इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द वेरी बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग इज इंटर रिलेटेडनेस. क्लास, all the forces or factors of a business environment are closely interrelated. For example, increased awareness of healthcare has raised the demand for organic food and roasted snacks. मतलब क्लास, हर बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट जो होता है, हर बिजनेस फोर्स जो होता है वो एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होता है. अगर एक एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर अफेक्ट होगा तो दूसरे एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर के ऊपर भी कुछ ना कुछ अफेक्ट उसका आएगा. देयरफॉर इट कैन बी सेड दैट these environmental factors or the business environment consists of interrelated forces in it. All right, so let's move further. So class, we are having our next topic with us is the components, sorry, the features of business environment are still remaining, and that are the business environment is dynamic in nature, of course class, because the business environment keeps on changing as per the requirement of the people, as per the taste of the people, as per the preference of the consumers, and many other factors. So it can be said as it is dynamic in nature. Then it is uncertainty. Business environment is uncertain as it is difficult to predict the future environmental changes and their impact with full accuracy. Plus, we are unaware about what is going to be happen in the future. Therefore, it can be said that business environment is uncertain, or it contains uncertainty of information or uncertainty of happening of any event. So next is complexity. Business environment consists of lots of factors and lots of institutions in it, and it is very much complex to understand the impact of a particular factor on a particular business. Therefore, it is said to be complexity. Then it is relativity. We have already studied about this, so let's move further. Now the next we are having is components of business environment class. This is the very important part of this chapter. इसमें ये बता रहे हैं हम लोग कि हमारे बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट के अंदर कौन कौन से कंपोनेंट्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं या कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो हमारे बिजनेस को इफेक्ट डालते हैं या इम्पैक्ट डालते हैं, ठीक है. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट फैक्टर वी आर हैविंग, वेरी फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट वी आर हैविंग विद अस इज इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट. Class, economic environment has an immediate and direct economic impact on a business. All the things related to your monetary policies, related to your government policies, and the other required things is a part of this economic environment only. So here are some examples such as rate of interest, inflation rate, change in the income of the people, monetary policy, price levels, and etc. These are some of the economic factors. Economic environment may offer opportunities to a firm, or it may put it to a constraints as well. Okay, so let's move further. Now the next we are having is social environment class. You all are aware about this fact that a business is working in a society and it's also working for a society. So we have to look after the social things as well. We have to look after the people who are around us in the society as well, and this is the what social environment consists of. So it includes various social forces such as customs, benefits, literacy rate, educational rate, lifestyle values, and etc. Changes in social environment affect an organization in the long run. ऑलराइट, जैसा होता है क्लास, हम लोगों के पास में फेस्टिवल सीजन्स आता है तो बिज़नेस के अंदर एक अच्छा इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है हमारे पास में, या कोई दूसरे चीज़ें रहती हैं तो सोसाइटी को लेके उनके प्रेफरेंसेस चेंज होते हैं यार, तो उस वजह से सोसाइटी बिजनेस पे काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. ऑलराइट, so let's move further. Now we are having is technological environment class. You all are aware about the fact that in these days there is a huge amount of technological upgradation available with us, and as soon as your technology get older or as it gets outdated, you need to get its update as soon as possible. और तुरंत हम लोगों को उसको अपग्रेड करना पड़ता है, स्पेशली इन द केस ऑफ मोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज यू कैन से. वहाँ पे डेली बेसिस पे नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज आती हैं, तो जो पुरानी टेक्नोलॉजी होती है वो किसी काम की नहीं रहती, और अगर हम लोग नई टेक्नोलॉजी के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क नहीं करेंगे तो हम लोग आउटडेटेड होते चले जाएंगे और हमारे बिजनेस को काफ़ी लॉसेज होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर टेक्नोलॉजिकल एनवायरनमेंट. ऑलराइट, booking of railway tickets on internet, traditional cotton and silk fabrics, artificial fabrics in place of. So this is digitalization in our country. This is all about your technological environment. So next we are having is your political environment class. Political environment says that changes in political situation also affects business organization. Political stability builds confidence among business community. With political instability and bad laws and order situation may bring uncertainty in business activities. ये बोल रहे हैं क्लास कि हमारी कंट्री के अंदर जो भी हमारी रूलिंग पार्टी है या जो भी हमारी पॉलिटिकल कंडीशंस है उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है हमारे बिजनेस के ऊपर. अगर एक ही गवर्नमेंट कंटिन्यूली वर्क कर रही है और अगर वो अच्छे पॉलिसीज़ लेकर आते हैं, बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए नए नए प्लान्स लेकर आते हैं, तो डैट विल बी अ गुड पार्ट फॉर आर बिजनेस. बट if there is a political instability in our country, if the government is used to change again and again, and the policies are not stable for each and every kind of things, then there will be an adverse situation for our business organization. All right, so it all belongs to the ruling party, and this is what is all about the political environment. Example we are having is Bangalore and Hyderabad have become the most popular locations for IT due to सपोर्टिव पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट. बैंगलोर और हैदराबाद के अंदर पॉलिटिकल क्लाइमेट एक बहुत ही सपोर्टिव रहा, एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न दैट दीज टू सिटीज़ आर नोन एज दी IT cities of our country. So let's move further. The last we are having with us is legal environment. So class, legal environment is the laws and regulations that are being working in your country. जो भी कानून हम लोगों को फॉलो करना है, सपोज कंपनीज एक्ट है, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट है, और जी इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्ट है, इंडियन पार्लियामेंट्री एक्ट है, तो ये सभी चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमारे बिजनेस को बहुत ज़्यादा इफेक्ट करती हैं. सपोज देयर इज़ अ रूल in there a rule has been implemented for GST implementation in place of VAT, so it affects our business in a lot of sense. It provides some good condition as and some bad conditions as well, and this is all due to your legal environment. For an example, advertisement of alcoholic products is prohibited, and it is compulsory to give statutory warning on advertisement of cigarettes. ये एक रूल होता है गवर्नमेंट का कि आप अल्कोहल एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, या आपको एक स्टैट्यूटरी वार्निंग देनी पड़ती है. सो दिस इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू योर लीगल एनवायरनमेंट. जो भी कानून से रिलेटेड होता है वो सभी और लीगल एनवायरनमेंट का पार्ट होता है. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स मूव फर्दर. Next is with us is liberalization, privatization and globalization. Class, you have already studied about these three topics in your earlier classes as well and in a detailed format. Here it's just an introduction. First of all, liberalization. Class, liberalization means removal of trade barriers and providing a free access to your business for importing and exporting of goods. Alright, here are some points like abolishing licensing. Earlier we have to take proper license for doing the export business and for importing of goods, but now it is abolished. Then it is freedom in deciding the scale of operations. पहले हम लोगों को डिसाइड करना पड़ता था कि आप कितना, एक मिनिमम क्वांटिटी होती थी, एक हमारे पास में बैरियर होता था कि हम इतने ही अमाउंट का बिजनेस कर सकते हैं. पर अब ऐसा नहीं है, आप अपने लेवल पे बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, अपने स्केल ऑफ ऑपरेशंस खुद डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. Then removal of restrictions of movement of goods and services, freedom in fixing of prices, reduction in tax rates, and many other points have been there. Next, it is privatization. Class, privatization refers to the process of making disinvestment of government or public institutions to the private institutions. जब इंडिपेंडेंस हुआ था उसके उस समय सारा मैक्सिमम जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी वो सब गवर्नमेंट टेकिंग अंडरटेकिंग थी. लेकिन उसके बाद में जैसे जैसे हमारे पास में नई नई पॉलिसीज आती गई, स्पेशली दी इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 1991, तब हम लोगों ने डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट चालू करा. मतलब वी हैव स्टार्टेड सेलिंग द शेयर्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एंटरप्राइजेस टू सम प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एंड वी हैव शिफ्टेड our government or public institutions to the private institutions, and this process is known as your privatization. All right, next is your globalization. Class, when a proper liberalization policies have been implemented in our country, then the each and every of our business organization is able to work on a global level, and now each and every business is having an opportunity that he or that they can sell their goods to some other countries as well. And when an organization is started working globally, means when an organization started working on more than one country, then this particular process is known as, or this particular transformation is known as globalization. All right, so some points are also there: import liberalization, export promotions toward rationalization of the tariff structure, and reforms with reference to the foreign exchange and as well. So this is all about the globalization. Class, next we are having with us is impact of government policy changes on our business. The very first impact is increasing competition. जैसे ही हमारे गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी में चेंजेस आए तो हमारा जो कंपटीशन था मार्केट के अंदर वो ह्यूज लेवल पे इंक्रीज होने लग गया. नेक्स्ट, मोर डिमांडिंग कस्टमर्स. जब कस्टमर्स है देखा कि भाई नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, नई नई पॉलिसीज आ रही हैं, तो कस्टमर्स की डिमांड जो है वो बढ़ने लग गई प्रोडक्ट्स को लेके. Then it is rapid changing technological environment. Class, when an institutions is starting growing global, तब उन्हें पता पड़ा that we are having some outdated technologies with us, and there is a rapid change in the technological environment as well. हम all of the organizations have to upgrade their things and have to upgrade their technology to cope up with the other countries. Then it is necessity for change. Of course, class, जब हम लोगों ने देखा that we are working with the outdated things, so there is a big necessity to get change ourselves and to get change the the policies of our business as well. So this is all about the chapter. Class, and please stay home and stay safe. And class, Shiv Jyoti is back again with its competition or online competitions. And for more information, you can log on to www.shivjyoti.org, We are providing you with the daily basis task in the name of daily diary. So after completing that, you can win lots of exciting prizes. Thank you, class. And again, stay home and stay safe. Thanks a lot.